My work desk, this is a big Mack. I bought this in the US, and then there's a Toyota Land Cruiser photo. I believe this is the one from the Camel Trophy. I think they used it once, but I don't remember now. But I love this picture, so I just got it off the internet and framed it, printed it and framed it. This is the Le Mans winning Ford. I think this is a GT40. It looks sexy. The graphic is nice. And then this is an Impala. It's a very old one that I have. Then this is a Merc E-Class. This is some Chrysler model that I had from a very long time. And this is the, guess what it is? This is a Lancia Delta Integrale. Watch Jeremy Clarkson's views on this car. So they call it the best hatchback ever made by Lancia in the world. And this is the rally winning car from Lancia. Looks awesome. The attention to detail is nice. Yeah. Look at the wheels, the way they have been designed, and mind you, it's very heavy, very heavy. And the doors open. We try it through this. I used to do it. I'll show you something else possible. So the bonnet opens here, the door opens, rather the front doors open on both sides. This is a wide body kit that they had designed from the company itself. It's a very fast car. It handles superbly. Then this is the Volkswagen Beetle. इसका भी ये खुलता है. I had some snaps of it. So coming back, this is the Volkswagen Beetle, the spare wheel in the front. Did you guys know that the Volkswagen Beetle was a rear engine car and an air-cooled one? Look at the engine, look at the attention to detail. It's phenomenal. It's awesome. And the doors open. This is the interior of the car. Wow, sexy. I just love how these guys are made. I think this is from Maisto. I don't remember. Yeah, it's 1:18 scale. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and looks like a hot rodded one with the alloys and all, with wider front tires, or rather wider tires per se. But this is fair. So I took a break and I was able to open these doors and the bonnets and everything from both the cars. Okay, I showed you the Volkswagen Beetle, I guess. It was rear engined and all of that, right? And then the Lancia also. So look at the way the bonnet opens on the other side. The doors, the interiors, the rear hatch opens up again. Wow, this is too good. This is awesome. Hope you like these. Right? Well, again, I think you may have seen this stone. This is from Leh. It was picked up by my co-rider and good friend Yuvraj, and then carved and given to me as a memento. And this memento was given to me by my good friend Pranav. So it was awesome again. And then I'll also show you the motorcycles that I have. So this is how my work desk looks like. It's a garage at home, a mini garage at home. So now I have stepped into the hall. These are some of the pictures that I downloaded from the net again and made some frames. This is just some modern classic going at speeds. Looks awesome. This is a Ford F-150 old truck converted into a hot rod. This is none other than our hero Steve McQueen riding a motorcycle. So if anybody is new to motorcycling, kindly go and look at some documentaries on YouTube about Steve McQueen. He was a Hollywood star from the movie The Great Escape. That was one of his known ones. And then the Thomas Crown Affair, I believe, the old one. But he was also known for starting the trend of motorcycling and getting a lot of people together riding off-road and stuff like that, so, or on the beaches. So this is Steve McQueen, and I just love the attitude in this photograph. Then coming down finally onto the motorcycles, this is the Harley Davidson, what's the name, Crossbones. This is a soft tail. This is probably from somewhere in the 60s or 70s. This is from Maestro again. And this is a Duke 690 Enduro. It's a single cylinder 690 or whatever cc engine. This was assembled. This was like a DIY kit that I bought and assembled the bike. It's not in pretty good shape. Some of the pieces keep coming off, but this looks awesome. So this is how the corner looks like. And then I have a few more stored away where I can swap these frames and add some new ones. So this is my garage at home, guys. So what did you think? This is my work area. To revisit, this is how it looks currently. And this painting was gifted to me by one of my good friends' wife, Sachin Patel's wife. And it's right here. I have to yet frame it. Sorry for that, but I loved it. And this is in watercolor, by the way. And it's awesome. I just love the way she paints. And this is how it looks. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. And there's one more thing that I need to show you. Do you see what this is? This is a Tamiya Racing Sherman Easy 8 tank. This is again a DIY kit, and I have not yet gotten to building it. But I have purchased this kit and I need to assemble this tank, and then that will go there as well. So this is one more thing that I am planning on doing. So these were some of the things that I have collected over a period of time, and then obviously I have the bikes downstairs, but this is just the, as you say, tip of the iceberg. And I have some good books at home, around how to tune 4-stroke engines, how to tune exhausts, and also on the history of Harley Davidson. So that those books are also there, and home matlab दूसरी जगह पे. So I'm planning to get those, and I'll show you the collection of the books that I have as well on automobiles. So that is what I have currently. Hope you liked it, and comment below with if pictures, if you have, or information that you have. I will keep collecting and keep sharing this whatever I collect. Thank you. Do watch, like and subscribe, and share this video.